What is up, Coco Squad? Your boy Coco Man here, back with another video on the YouTube. And today we got a different type of video we're gonna post on our channel today. You saw the title. You want curly hair in 5 minutes? I'm here for you to show you how you can do it. All types of hair, man. You can have straight hair, and if you follow exactly what I do, you'll end up having curly hair. Probably not as curly as other people, because you know other people are like born with curly hair. But if you have straight hair, you're gonna have some type of long-lasting curly hair that you can have for like a whole day. And if you want it again, you know what? You just follow the steps right away again. You know, that's simple as that. So let's get right into it. You might be asking, if we're talking about hair and how to get curly hair, why do I have this beanie on, this little ski mask? If we're talking about hair, well, I'm going to take a little while until I show you guys what's growing under here. But you're going to need 5 products for the tutorial I'm going to give you guys today. These are like simple products you can make at home. And there are also products here that you got to buy at Walmart. You know, nearest Walmart, go out there and cop them if you want to know how to get curly hair in 5 minutes, you know? So I'm going to show you guys the products in order and how you're going to use it and everything. So the first one is obviously you're going to need a shampoo. Any type of shampoo works. This is the one I use right here. But I want to tell you guys first, make sure you don't get a shampoo that has, let me see. Make sure you don't get a shampoo that has ammonium lauryl sulfate, whatever that is. Look at the ingredients of whatever's in your shampoo. Make sure none of that's in there, because that's like a little sulfate that like dries out your hair real quick. I don't know why they put that in shampoos. Maybe so you buy more of it and use it faster, so you have to buy it again if you like that one. But this one right here, it does not have it. If you want to cop this one right here, it's the Aussie Miracle Volume. This one's great for like if you want to get curly hair. So yeah, this is the first product you're going to use right here is the shampoo. Then for the next one, after you rinse out the shampoo, you're going to want to have a LeaveIn Treatment. This is the one that I use right here. I find this one great. It smells good too. But like the smell isn't really important. But if you want to like just use this, sometimes I just use this one. But for it to last the longest, you got to use all these products. So this one is the LeaveIn Treatment right here. So yeah, after that one, you're going to leave that in your hair, obviously, because it says LeaveIn Treatment. And you're going to wait a while because your hair is going to be wet with that in it. Let your hair dry just a little bit, but make sure when you go into the next product that it's still wet enough so that when you put this one right here, this is a little mixture that I make. It's just water and gel. Any gel works, you know, like see how it foams up, there's gel in there. After you like wait a little bit, you want to make sure you put you want to spray this around all your hair, all of it, because the gel is going to harden it up a little bit. But then the next 2 products I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to show you them at the same time because you're going to use them like back to back. It's any type of gel. This is the one I use right here. And this I think is the most important one right here. This one I found at Walmart and it works great. Like this one, I'm telling you, like guys, you can have straight hair and this will make your hair curly right away. Especially if you use it with the gel, it'll last forever. So this is probably the most important one. If you don't have this one at home, go cop this one. But yeah guys, those are the 5 things that you're gonna need, and also the link for all those products is gonna be down below. And you know the spray, you know you get a little spray bottle, you put some water in it and a little bit of gel in there, you shake it up and it'll turn into that. And now it's time to show you guys what I'm looking like under here. So there might be a little nest, some birds under here, guys. Don't make fun of me if you think it's like looks crazy, because I know my hair be curly during all my videos. But yeah, here it is.
He needs some milk.
Right, we got a little fro growing. The fro, there's nothing bad with the fro. You know, I rock the fro sometimes. Let's get right into the tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is obviously we're going to wet our hair so it can get a little damp, so all these products over here can absorb into my hair. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to grab my towel. I'm going to put it under here so I don't really get my shirt wet. It doesn't really matter, but you know what? All you're going to do is I'm going to wet my hair. I'm not going to really show you guys because you know it's a simple thing. Everybody knows how to wet their hair. You're going to get under your sink or under your shower head and like just wet it up. Let's go. Alright guys, you see it, my hair is dripping right now. My hair is completely wet right now. And at this point is when you want to grab your shampoo and like drip some into you. One pump does it with this one. It's like a little clear shampoo. One pump does it. And ooh, try not to make a mess, but you know what? Rub it into your hair. Rub it in real good. And I feel like the key trick, guys, like if you have straight hair out there, man, I feel like the best thing to do is just rub it in real good. Like rub those roots, the roots in the back too, just cause yeah, my hair's curly, but I'm telling you guys, this works for anything, any type of hair. I have cousins that have tried this, it's worked for them. You just gotta follow it exactly. Rub it in good. This shampoo, I'm pretty sure it's made like to help you get your curls back after it's like frizzy and like all poofy, all afro-y. You know how mine just was, the nest I had up there. But once it's all in, you know, oh, making a mess. So it's all in my hair. You see the vibes. Wash off all that extra shampoo on your hands. See how it is? The curls are coming, guys. The curls are coming. If you have straighter hair, it'll probably not be there just yet. But remember, have that motion where like you're flicking it around, twirling it up, like twirl your hair up in there. And I'm telling you guys, it's gonna work. So this is just step 1. And then before we go into step 2, you wanna leave it in there for a little bit. Leave it in there for a little bit. After it's been there for a good 20 seconds, you wanna rinse it out. And I'll come back to you guys when it's all rinsed out. Let's get it. We're back. This is what we're looking like after step 1. The curls are there, the curls are there. The next thing you wanna grab for step 2, and let me tell you guys, step 1, you see, I'm telling you guys, 5 minutes and your hair will be curly after this. That step 1 only took me like what? Like 30, 45 seconds to wet my hair, put it in, wait a little 10 seconds, and then take the shampoo right out. And then next, for step 2, we're just gonna go put the leave-in treatment in there. So you want this one, you want a good amount, like this. For how long my hair, this is good. If your hair's a little bit longer, put a little bit more. You know, simple. You want to rub it in, and then again, guys, this is the motion that you always want to do. You just want to like twist your hair, like make sure like the motion you're doing in your hair is like twisting it. You're twisting it up. I feel like this is like the best leave-in treatment. Because it is for curls, like it'll get your hair curly, I'm telling you guys. And it's good for your hair. It doesn't have that sulfate either as like that one some shampoos do. Tore your hair up. This is what we're looking like, guys. That's all you gotta do. Look, it's all in there. You don't gotta keep doing this. You don't gotta keep doing this. Once you nurse all your roots, man, you don't gotta keep on going. Like, this is what we're looking like after. Here's the back. The back of my hair is like the worst hair. Like I have straight hair in my back because I always sleep. I sleep facing up, and my hair, when I wake up, it's all straight and everything. So I'm telling you guys, it's working. Look at that. Check it out. It's working. And that's just step 2. Step 2 what? Took like what? 30 seconds? Come on now. And this one, you don't even gotta take time to rinse it out because it's leave-in. Leave it in there. And I said, guys, this one, you wanna wait like maybe like 45 seconds to a minute to let this one really soak in there. So like, I'm telling you, this one will if you follow this, how I'm telling you, like follow the times and everything, you leave this in for 45 seconds to a minute, it's gonna last you a good day and a half if you take care of it. The curls are gonna be there for a day and a half, I'm telling you guys. So we're gonna wait that 45 seconds. And we are back, guys, let's go. We waited like a minute. Waited like a minute. You see, it doesn't look dry, but I'm telling you guys, it is a little bit drier. And check it out. Damn, I need a haircut real soon, but you see it. I'm flipping it up, a little water's coming out, but I'm telling you guys, it dried up a little bit, and that's when you move on to step number 3. You get the little solution out, water and gel, that's it. This solution right here, guys, when your hair like soaks it in, it's gonna help it harden before you go into 4 and 5. So it'll like harden the curls, and your curls, that's what makes it last a little bit longer. That's why I like using the solution right here. But before we go into step 3, guys, since we're talking about hair and like, you know, keeping yourself clean and stuff, and we're switching up the content a little bit for a day over here, can you guys please let me know in the comment section down below how to get rid of these damn pimples, man? They just never seem to go away, man. But if you know of anything, guys, girls, whatever, you know, let me know down below how to get rid of these damn pimples, man, because I'm tired of these Jones, man. Let me know down below. But let's get right into step 3. Let's go. So you go, bang. You spray it around, all around. And after you're done spraying it, you know, spray as much as you like. If you feel like you're missing spots, just keep spraying until you think all your hair's gotten it in. 5 minutes is all it takes to get these curls, man. If you want straight hair, you don't want no more straight hair, man, you want that good curly hair, try this out, man. 5 minutes, that's all it takes. Now it's up to step 4 and 5. This is really like one step, but I call it 4 and 5 because it's 2 different products. These are the last 2 steps. The most important steps, man. The last 2 steps are the most important. First, you want to put in the most important product that I think it is right here, guys. I told you the curls. This is like the best product. Inside, it's like a pasty kind of product. You want to grab a good amount. Good amount for me is like this. All my hair, I can get all my hair with all that. It's pasty, but I'm telling you guys, this will like really like coil up your hair if you got curly hair already, and it'll make your hair curly if you have straight hair. Simple as that. You want to remember that motion, guys. That motion is like magic fingers and shit. But you know what? You want to get all your hair with this one. Move it around. Move it around. See, it makes your hair kind of like look like grayish a little bit, but that's okay. All these products are healthy for your hair, I'm telling you guys. I kind of put a lot, that's why it looked gray a little bit. Put a little bit too much, but that's even better though. Because the more you put on, the longer it'll last. Here's what it's looking like in the back. Let's take this damn towel off. But you know what? That's what it's looking like right now. And real quick, let's grab this gel. Because you don't need more than 5 minutes to do this, man, guys. 5 minutes. Curls in 5 minutes. Long-lasting curls in 5 minutes. Let's go. So this is how much I put in my hair. I want to make sure, once you put the gel on, make sure you don't put a lot on in one spot. Make sure it's all even, because if you put a lot on in one spot, your hair will be all hard and stuff, and you don't want it. But if you put it evenly, your hair will, I know gel makes your hair hard, but this Elegance gel right here is fire, because it doesn't make it hard, but it makes it stay for like crazy long. I'm telling you, you'll last a day to 2 days with this. So I got the gel on my hands right now, and make sure like when you go in, I like to go in like different spots with both my hands, because if I go in like this, that means a lot of the gel is gonna be like on top of here, and then this will be hard, and then other spots will be soft and won't last as long. So when I go in, I want to grab it like this, bang, like just grab it in like that, and then do that motion I'm telling you guys about right away. Just keep moving, because if you don't move right away, different spots will have different amounts of gel in it, and you don't want that. Check it out, guys. Check it out. How the curls looking. Move your hair a little bit. Move your hair a little bit, guys. And you see, look at that. Ooh. Let me get my face away so the camera won't focus on my face. Let me know what's it looking like, guys. It's looking good, right? We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. After that, just keep moving it around. Make sure every single piece of hair, all your roots get that. It's important that your roots get that gel in it too, because once your roots get it, that's what makes it last the longest. So right there, you see, you can kind of still see the coil cream, but that's okay, because after that, you're all done, man. That's it. That's all you have to do, man. Rinse out the gel out your hands. Take it all out, because you don't want that sticky feeling on your hands. And after that, guys, all you have to do is let it dry, like, naturally. You could dry it with a towel a little bit so it can dry faster, but I like it to let it dry naturally, no hair blower, no nothing. Because I feel like if you let it dry naturally, it'll last longer, and then you don't have that heat from the hair blower, and then it won't get as frizzy if you use a towel. So I like it to let it dry naturally, and once it's all dried up, I'll get back to you guys. I'll show you guys the results. It'll take like, you're done right here. This is all you gotta do, man. There's 5 minutes. It was probably even less than 5 minutes if I say so myself, but this is all you have to do. Once you do this, you wait probably like 10 minutes. You do whatever you gotta do in the morning or at night. If you wanna do it at night, you do whatever you gotta do in the morning to get up, get ready, and it'll be dry in like I like to say 5 to 10 minutes, but yeah, after that you just wait, and I'll be back, guys, when it's all dried up and the results are all done. Guys, we are back. It's time to show you guys the final results. Here it is. It looks wet, guys, but I'm telling you, that's just like that one coil cream I showed you guys, that it makes it look shiny as hell. That's another reason why I like that, you know, too. I let it dry for 5 minutes. Yeah, I could have let it dry a little bit more, but this is how it ends up looking, guys. Yeah, if you have a little bit of straighter hair, it won't be as curly, of course, but you know what? It'll be curly, I promise you guys. I'm telling you, other people have tried this method, and they've ended up having curly hair for a long time, too, for a day and a half. And them products are like, they're a big amount. You can use them a lot of times before you have to buy it again, and they're not that expensive. I'm telling you, probably the most expensive one is the coil cream. And of course, it's the most important one, but it works magic, though. Check it out. You saw how I was before. Let me put up a clip up there how I was before. And check out after now, man. Look at that. I can shake it up around like that. Check out how shiny that joint is. And that's it, guys. That 5-minute routine you do every time, whenever you want to do it at night. So in the morning you look fresh. And that's just it, man. That's the 5-minute routine on how to get curly hair. Any types of hair can get it. From straight to curly to nappy, all that. You know I got nappy hair. Check me out now. But the thing is, with me, my hair, like, it likes to dry up fast. So probably tomorrow or, like, tomorrow in the middle of the day, I have to do this shit again. But it's alright, man. It'll last you a long time. For straighter hair people, it'll probably even last you a long time. But if the more product you use during this, the longer it's going to last you. But a downside is of that is the longer you're going to have to wait till it dries. If you let it dry naturally, which is the best way I think you should do it. So, yeah, guys, you see the results. That's it. Let me know if you fucking with it. And remember, let me know down below of any pimple creams you guys fuck with, cause I'm gonna have to try them out for real. Coco Squad, I hope you like the results, man, cause I know I do. Want curly hair? Try this out, man. That's it. Other than that, guys, that's it for today's video. 5-minute routine, how to get curly hair like this. All the products I use today will be linked down below. If you like today's content, make sure to let me know down below if you want to see more content like this. Also, let me know of any other type of content you want to see me do. I'm down to do whatever, guys. Coco's down to do whatever, man. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and KO that subscribe button.